Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
New York, Monday, November 9, 2020. Scientists have discovered that the galaxy NSG 4994, located 120 to 150 light-years from Earth, has gold reserves. Scientists believe that the formation of the precious gold metal was caused by a collision between a neutron star. For this reason, scientists have long observed the collision between neutron stars. Large quantities of gold and platinum have been produced since the collision. It is also believed to have hundreds of planets of gold and platinum. Scientists found that two neutron stars merged to form a kilonova. Neutron stars are the remnants that remain after the explosion of a large star. Kilonova is also formed when a neutron star merges into a black hole. The collision, which took place in 2012, was also seen in 2016, which produced large quantities of gold and platinum. Scientists believe that this will help them to understand the amount of gold found on Earth. This extremely precious metal is the result of the formation of kilonova millions of years ago. Gold deposits are found in the galaxy NCG2, which is 150 to 150 light-years from Earth. This means that the collision of the neutron star took place 15 to 150 million years ago. However, the eyes of scientists have been falling for the galaxy 2 contains enough gold to hold up to 60 cubic meters of gold that has been mined so far. Speaking of galaxies, even the moon has hidden treasures of precious metals. The sulfur of the volcanic rocks found on the moon has been successfully linked to the iron sulfate hidden in the lunar core. Many precious metals were crushed when lava formed. Iron sulfide is very important in the presence of precious metals like platinum and palladium on Earth. Scientists have long speculated that the moon was formed from a planet-shaped sphere that came out of the Earth 2.5 billion years ago. Due to this similarity of the two, the building elements are considered to be identical. For more details, kindly go to if.tt/. Please support our channel to grow by pressing subscribe button as well as the bell icon for daily science updates. Thank you.